Hello everyone! We finished Organize 3D File in the previous section. This tutorial today will lead you through the workflows to create a photorealistic render with Lumion, allowing you to get the most out of Lumion in the shortest amount of time. Here is the list of work for the basic setup in Lumion. First, select Default Environment. Importing 3D file to Lumion. Layer Setup, Setting, Origin, Point, and Camera Setup. To begin, we choose Plan Environment. It is a simple environment in Lumion. You can then edit and customize the environment to suit your needs. We will import your 3D model into Lumion. The Objects menu is opened when Lumion opens a new scene or loads a scene. This menu is what you have to use to import a 3D model. You can import by clicking on the Import button, then select Add a new model. Lumion supports the most common CAD and BIM software. The supported model file formats are as follows: DAE, Collada, SKP, SketchUp, FBX, DWG, DXF, 3ds, OBJ, and Max. Lumion lets you rename the 3D model you are importing. Click the Add to Library button. The Place tool becomes available to start placing 3D models. You can place this model by clicking on the left mouse button. After importing 3D, we will use Lumion's layers to have organize your models. Make it a habit to practice using layers throughout the project. Do you see a black box with a number in the top left of Lumion's interface? That indicates the location of the layers. You can use layer to arrange on lines, on a layer, on trees, on another, and so on. If you click on the plus button, you can add new layers up to the maximum of 20. The I buttons in Build mode allow you to show or hide a layer. You can clarify the layer following this list: building, architecture, landscape, interior, furniture, tree, greenery, and light. You can change the layer of an object by selecting and update on the Properties table. After importing and organizing our model, Always remember to set it to the origin point. This is a time saver trick for you. It will allow controlling your 3D file effectively and not get lost in the Lumion's environment, especially when you decide to separate your 3D into many elements. Let me show you how to enter position coordinates. Whenever you import a new model, select Objects Mode, then select the Move Mode tab. Click on the Move Objects icon. Select one or more objects. Click on the small circular object icon of the object. Enter position values for the fields X, Y, and Z axes. I suggest using 555. This number is straightforward to remember. After basic setup for your model, we will set up the camera position for your render. This step will have your work be done in the shortest time possible, because you will know the specific area in your design that you need to focus on. Set up material and special effects and not waste many hours on the less critical corner. There's a special section in Lumion. It's called Photo Mode. Click on the camera icon. The whole user interface has changed and optimized for the creation of images. The way you navigate to find the camera position is similar to the build mode, with the Q, W, E, A, S, and D keys and the mouse to turn around. In addition, there is an option to change the focal length of the camera. Now, let's find an excellent position to create a render picture. We need to add one effect before creating a camera view. It is a 2-point perspective effect. We can use effect to get a 2-point perspective so that the vertical lines stay vertical regardless of the camera angle. You can save a position by going to one of these slots and clicking on the Store Camera button. So, this position is saved. Now, we have the basic setting for the perfect render. Next part, I will show you how to set up the material for this 3D file into Lumion.